I've got an antique Howard Treadle sewing machine. It's got Ornate decals. It's a Treadle only machine. There's no hub or boss for mounting a motor or hand crank. The serial number is 1106263, and my best guess is that it dates from about 1900 to 1910. It does have an 1886 patent date on the bobbin cover. But the machine's been serviced, complete working order. And just to show how well it stitches, I've got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once without any ad. And machine has good chrome too. Good chrome and good decals. Comes with a manual and attachments. Now I have it in a Singer base. It doesn't fit a Singer base, but I have it in here, so it does work. You're gonna hear some noises. That's my metal treadle cord rubbing against the body. Now it's got a big lip here, and I pull on this to release the tension. There's no real specific tension release lever. And I also added a thread cutter from a newer machine, so it's mounted upside down, so you got to pull the thread up to cut it. It's from a Kenmore. But I also run a full speed test, because that's the only way you're going to test if it is skipping or breaking stitches. Which typically doesn't happen when you're running slower speeds. A little hard to see, maybe you can see on the back here. But there's no skip stitches, no broken stitches, and there you have it.